Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Alex Atzberger. He is the CEO at Optimizely. Alex, it's wonderful to have you here. Thank you for joining me.
Judy, it's great to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure. So now I want to start off by talking about the company. Tell me about Optimizely and the problems you're solving for today's marketing and product teams.
So Optimizely has a very simple mission. We want to make the life better for marketers. In our view, the world has become quite complex in marketing. 10 years ago, Judy, there were maybe 100 MarTech companies. Today, there are over 12,000. So the market has become complicated. And for many marketers, it's hard to figure out which solutions do they need to really run their marketing function. So we want to be the first operating system for marketers. And what that means is that you have one go-to platform. Just like Workday for HR, Salesforce for sales, Optimizely is for the marketer. So you can create any campaign, ideate, plan together as your marketing team, and then activate the campaign over various channels, be it your website, be it a digital experience on a mobile device, and everything is orchestrated through Optimizely. And we do this now for over 10,000 companies globally.
So I understand congratulations are in order. So tell me about your recent milestone and what contributed to this success.
So we are celebrating reaching 400 million in annual recurring revenue. This is a big, big milestone for us. It's a big milestone for our customers. It's also a big milestone for our partners. And the reason why we see the success in the marketplace is because obviously we now live in a world where people look to simplify their IT stack. So they look for platforms that bring together best-in-class capabilities. At the heart of what we do is our content management solution, CMS, and then we build around it the best-in-class solutions for testing, best-in-class solution for content marketing, and we bring it all together and we call that Optimizely One, the suite for marketers. And that has really driven our growth over the last couple of years, and so we quadrupled the company since 4 years ago, and obviously it's a major milestone for us and the customers are loving it.
So you mentioned Optimizely One. So talk to me more about this platform and the feedback you have been receiving from the market so far.
Yeah, Optimizely One is a composable suite of capabilities. Content is at the heart of it because every marketer actually uses content to manage their campaigns, to engage with their customers. And for many years, those have been different domains, content, testing, but we connected it through a beautiful workflow. And that brings together Optimizely One. And so what customers do, for instance, take a Zoom. Zoom.com runs on Optimizely. Zoom also uses us to test their sign-up pages. So it becomes one flow, both for the marketer to actually work on a test, but also for the customer who has a customer experience that's better now. The same is true for Travelers, one of the largest insurance companies in the world. Travelers.com runs on our platform. But also companies like Shell and Salesforce, who actually use our platform as their digital backbone for their content marketing teams. So we see great customers that are using our platform. We love the partnership, and we're also very thankful to our partners, agencies and others who help us actually scale the company.
Now, the digital experience industry is a competitive space. So how will Optimizely continue to position itself as a leader?
Judy, it all starts with our customers. The North Star is always our customers. Right now we work obviously with our customers on how they actually use AI in a useful and easy to use way to actually accelerate what they do as a marketing team. So our focus is always, how can we give a marketer superpowers? It started with giving marketers the superpower of testing and experimentation. Now it's about how can AI further accelerate this? So for instance, you want to create multiple variants of your content. You want to actually engage customers differently when you have a blank piece of paper to come up with a campaign idea. These are all use cases we are building now through AI into our workflow and into Optimizely One. And the beauty is the customer can use the capabilities where they do their work today. So they don't have to use a swivel chair to go to another solution. All can be done in the Optimizely platform. And so that's a big part of it. The other big part of our future always comes down to our people and employees. We are very, very fortunate to have an incredible team. They've been a big, big part of this journey to reach this major milestone that we are celebrating here today. And with that combination of customers and people being at the best, I think the best is yet ahead.
Alex, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Congratulations on your milestone, and thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.